Hello everybody, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. I am Veena and wish you all a happy Navratri festival. Today let's see how to make a Sundal recipe. You need to do some preparation one day before, and the rest of the recipe will be very simple. It is a very good breakfast recipe as well. It is also for Navratri Vrat or Vratam. That is a fast. During the fast time in South India, they actually prefer this recipe, prefer this food during breakfast. So I'll just show you how to prepare this chana, kala chana, one day well in advance. So now take a bowl. Into it add about half cup of black gram dal into it. So I'm going to pour some water. Fill it till the water till the dal is completely immersed in the water. Leave it overnight. Okay, now it's the next day morning. I'm just going to take out the lid, and the kala chana has been soaking overnight in the water. Now you can see it has become big, and also it has become pretty soft. So now we will go ahead and boil it and cook it till it becomes soft and tender. First I'll just use this pan and we'll pour the water and the soaked kala chana into it. Add about 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Now mix them well. Allow it to come to a boil. Close it with the lid. Once the chana is boiled, just stir it once. Slow the flame and cook it on sim till the chana becomes soft. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. I kept it in a very slow flame. Actually, it smells wonderful. Let's see if our chana is ready. It is going to be very hot. You can taste it and see if it is done. It's very hot. Be careful. You can also mash it with a spoon and try. There, if you can see, it is mashed well and nice. We will go ahead and switch off the flame. Now the kala chana is cooked. Let us separate it from the water. Just going to separate it. Take one and just check. It should easily squeeze between your fingers. See, that is so quick and so soft. Actually, it tastes delicious already. Let's go ahead with our recipe. After the pan becomes nice and hot, we will add about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil into it. We will just spread the oil all over the pan. Okay, now the oil has become hot. It's the good time. You can actually see the oil is like going wavy kind. That's the right time to just add the mustard there. Oh my god, that's quite hot. Just quickly going to add little curry leaves into it. a few curry leaves is absolutely fine, and it smells so delicious. These are some Kashmiri mirch. It is not so spicy. We'll just break it and put it in there just for the flavor. It smells amazing because of the coconut oil and the curry leaves. So I'll just keep them on a side. Actually, here I made a small mistake. I was actually supposed to put little urad dal, about half a teaspoon of urad dal or black gram dal. So we were supposed to first put immediately after the mustard, but I completely forgot about it. So I'm just making them on this side and trying to roast it, fry it and make it light golden brown in color. There you go. That was quick, and our blender is solved. Problem is solved. So you can see that it has changed its color. Nice golden brown. Now we can quickly bring it back along with the rest of the ingredients here. There, fantastic. So now I'm going to, very simple, just going to add 1 cup of our black gram dal. Okay. There. Now let it become a little pan-fried in the coconut oil. At this stage you can check for the salt. Since we have already added salt in the black gram dal, we don't need to add as such, but just for taste purpose, we'll just add a pinch of salt. A pinch of salt will also blend very nicely with our grated coconut. So now we are done. Let us switch off the flame and garnish them with beautiful coriander leaves. I'm going to just sprinkle them nicely all over, and of course with a light hand, because the leaves are so delicate. We just and lastly we are going to garnish it with some freshly grated coconut here. Just going to sprinkle a very little just for the taste. There we go. And that is our sundal. Quick, simple, and all the ingredients available in our home. It's an excellent breakfast dish indeed, and also a vratam recipe or vrat recipe for Navratri. Let us just serve it in a bowl. Oops, just one fell off. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you will try this at home. It's a very simple recipe, and this portion is sufficient for one person to fill for breakfast. You can also include some fruits along with it, which is a very good combination, fruits and some kala chana, and yes, with a hot cup of tea. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do try it at home. It's a very simple recipe. Usually in South India they have it for snacks, and it's full of protein as well. Please do try it at home. Thank you so much for watching veenaskitchen.com. If you have any queries, do post your queries in the comment box and I will reply to it. Wish you all a happy Navratri. Bye bye and take care.